Alright guys, this is my review on the Hi-Stick Emergency Survival Kit. First initial thought opening it up was there's a lot of stuff packed into this little container. I was pretty impressed with it. Next thing I was looking at is the knife. I do like the feature of this knife that the belt carabiner is actually the locking mechanism. It's pretty durable. As you can see, you can press down pretty hard on it and it don't come forward. Takes quite a bit to unlock. So there's that. You got your compass on one side, thermometer on the other. Thought that was pretty cool. You got your bracelet, it's got your paracord, your compass. One of the other features that I thought was really cool about it, oh yeah, it's got the whistle as well right there. It actually, if you open it there, that is your striker for your flint rod. That is located right there. As you can see, I've already used it a couple times. Works really well. Flashlight's pretty good too. It's got the zoom feature on it, in and out. Works pretty good. And of course you've got your whistle, you've got your pen. Then you've got a man-sized flint rod here. I've used many times. In a few seconds I'm actually going to go outside and strike it onto some lint and see how well they work. I have not yet tried this one. You've also got this multi-function card. It's got your knife blade, your screwdrivers, your adjustable size wrench there. It's got a ruler over here. This one here is kind of the same thing. Open it up from the front.